everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I hope you enjoy your stay here, and I hope you enjoy it enough to subscribe. I would appreciate it. I got in my Lunar Beauty mystery box. This is the first one. He did it a couple years ago, but I didn't get that one. I don't even remember it. I don't think I knew when it went on sale. But this year I did. The only two things I have from Lunar Beauty is the Moonspell palettes volume 1 and 2. So that's the only thing I'm hoping I don't get in here is the volume 2 Moonspell palette. Anything else would be great because I don't own anything else. I picked up the middle box, the Venus box. This box was $95, free shipping, and you're guaranteed at least $220 worth of product. So, and there are a couple of exclusive things in the box, and I have been watching some unboxings. So yeah, I am excited. Lunar Beauty, here we go. Okay. Stay. I got some brushes. I got a huge, I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the plastic. I got a huge powder. Oh, that is so soft. That's nice. So I'll put this back on later. I got the huge powder one. I got the double-ended brush. Oh. That's nice. And then I got 4 eyeshadow brushes. Oh, now I like this one. This one is LBE6. It's similar to that crease brush I love, but smaller. So that would be great to use. And then I got LBE2. I think you can see that. And then this is like a packer brush. Number 4. And the last one is, this is nice, number 3. This is a nice blending brush. So, I got all 6 of these brushes. So far so good. Let me move these things. And lay these down. Alright. And then I see there's some sort of palette. So let's open this up very carefully. Ooh, okay. Hang on to the tissue. I got the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. So let's open this up. I'm excited because, like I said, I wouldn't already own anything. Oh, okay. The packaging is really pretty. No. Let me put the box here. And there are the blushes. Those are really pretty. I like those. So far I'm very excited and happy. Very pleased. Okay. I got a makeup sponge. Yay for that. This is an exclusive. This is a pair of faux mink lashes. Let's see, do they have a name on them? Flare. They are Flare. Let me see. Here we go. Since I've started doing these inspired makeup looks, I've been using lashes. Oh, those are really pretty. There we go. Those are really nice. Ooh, I like those. I got a couple of glosses. Okay, I got Mystery. Mystery is the color that was exclusive to this box. And it is a gold. Looks like a... I see people swatch them. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for me, but I don't know if you'll be able to really see anything. I see, to me, it's like a rose gold. It's got some pink glitter in it. Some really fine glitter, nothing too heavy. It's pretty, but I don't really know if that'll pick up on camera. Here we go. It smells really good. And then the other one is Divine. Alright, and that one's a pretty pink. I'll swatch it as well. Today I'm just wearing a gloss. I'm wearing a Jeffree Star gloss. This one is pink with some like silver glitter in it. It's not as glittery as Mystery. I think Mystery's a better one. This is the pink one down here, and Mystery's up here. Yeah, very nice. I'm very happy with those. I got a highlighter. Now, if this is like everybody else's, I don't know if I want to keep it, because everybody's been getting the same shade of highlighter. Yep, Jupiter. Everybody's been getting Jupiter, and that's what this one is. It's dark. And I know people are saying they're using it for an eyeshadow. I won't do that. I know I won't. And I already have a dark shade from Jeffree Star that I've been using, but it's not as dark as this. And then I have one from, Fenty. And it is straight up gold, and it's really too dark for me. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or if I'm going to, I don't know yet. I don't know. And then here's the last. Please don't be Moonspell. Yay, it's not. Okay. I got the Eternal Eclipse eyeshadow palette. Yay. I'm glad. That's pretty. And, ooh, I love these shades. Look at those. Look, which one is it I'm gravitating to? I really like that one. I like that middle row. I'm really in love with that middle row. It's very pretty. So yeah, I am happy with that. So yay, this was a good box. I'm very pleased. So I got the Eternal Eclipse eyeshadow palette. I got the Moon Prism blush palette, lashes, highlighter, the sponge, 2 lip glosses, and 6 brushes. So I'm very pleased. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, I really would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave it down below. Did you guys order one of these? And if you did, which one? And what did you get different from me? So, yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.